Hello all, welcome to Ferdinand Tutorials. Today we want to talk about the word biology. The word biology is derived from the Greek words bios meaning life and logos meaning study, and is defined as the science of life and living organisms. An organism is a living entity consisting of one cell, example bacteria, or several cells like animals, plants and fungi. We can also say that biology is a natural science concerned with the study of life and living organisms. Modern biology is a vast and eclectic field composed of many specialized disciplines that study the structure, function, growth and distribution, evolution, or other features of living organisms. However, despite the broad scope of biology, there are certain general and unifying concepts that govern all study and research. Now let's talk about the aspects of biological sciences. Now these aspects ranges from the study of molecular mechanisms in cells to the classification and behavior of organisms, how species evolve, and interaction between ecosystems. Okay, let's discuss about the cell. The cell is the basic unit of life genes consisting of DNA or RNA. DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid or RNA ribonucleic acids. They are the basic units of heredity evolution, account for the unity and diversity seen among living organisms. All organisms survive by consuming and transforming energy. All organisms also maintain a stable internal environment. Now, biological research indicates the first form of life on Earth, where microorganisms that exist for billions of years before the evolution of larger animals. The mammals, birds, and flowers so familiar to us are all relatively recent, originating within the last 200 million years. Now, modern appearing humans, Homo sapiens, are a relatively new species, having inhabited this planet for only the last 200,000 years approximately. So that is it for this course, that is it for this video. We'll be seeing again next Thursday. Now we'll be talking about the concepts of different terms in biology. We're talking about the terms in biology. We'll explain the terms and we'll also give you a reason why you have to study biology or why you have to stick to the biology that you're studying. So thank you all for this video. See you again next Thursday. Bye for now.